Hello my dear friends, in this video we are going to know about the yoga and the context of the International Yoga Day, which is celebrated across the globe on 21st of June. Yoga is an ancient practice that brings together physical and mental disciplines to achieve a peaceful body and mind. Yoga is a form of exercise that is performed through a diet, breathing and physical posture. It had a great significance in the Indian culture and tradition since the ages. Patanjali is attributed to the father of an art of yoga, and he wrote a book called Yoga Sutras, a categorization of the yogic thought and arranged in 4 volumes consisting of 195 sutras. Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi have proposed in the year 2014 at United Nations to celebrate yoga internationally by the member nations annually to spread the legacy of yoga and to get benefited globally. The United Nations have approved to celebrate the yoga on the 21st June every year, which is the longest day of the summer season and takes place in the northern hemisphere, where the sun is directly over the Tropic of the Cancer. It is celebrated in the year 2015 for the first time and subsequently being celebrated every year on the same day. This year, International Day of Yoga is celebrated with the theme of Yoga for Well-being to raise awareness worldwide about the benefits of yoga in daily life. It helps us to understand the purpose of life and how to survive in the changing environment. This year, the celebration goes online due to the pandemic situations that are prevailing. Activities that are indulged in this day include leveraging the social media platforms like Instagram and Facebook to spread awareness and connect with the people on this issue. The following are the benefits that are gained by doing the yoga. It helps to maintain a balance between oneself and the environment. Yoga acts an aid to one's health. Yoga brings a balance between the body, soul and mind. It helps us to deal with the several problems and worries. By regular practice of yoga, an individual can get rid of health-related problems. Yoga promotes the self-healing and enhances the personal power. It increases the self-awareness, removes the toxins from the body, and the yoga removes the negative thoughts from the mind by making it relaxed. It reduces the stress and tension in the physical body of a person. The person feels rejuvenated and energized when he got doing the yoga. Yoga gives the power to control the body and mind. Yoga increases the flexibility of one's body and helps in the reducing the weight, and it also improves the brain function. And finally, I wish you all a very happy yoga day and hope you do that. That's all for today, and see you in the next video.